find your meaning. You went to see Yosemite at sunrise. The colors lit your soul on fire. Finally you felt it burn. The Lord revealed His face. On separate rocks. Oh, silly me, that valley's much wider than I thought. I stretched a bridge to bring you closer. Then you claimed your fear of heights. You were hard to find within that frame of mind. Yeah, you were, but I wasn't. That worked for you, but this doesn't for me, 'cause I thought we had something. Guess I was wrong, it doesn't end happily. So you should go back to Yosemite. I know now that I could never compare. I know now that you were better off, 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 that you were better off out there. You were, 'cause I wasn't. That worked for you, but this doesn't for me, 'cause I